Hello, time for another unboxing video. Today we have an Epiphone Les Paul Slash model. I picked this up from Guitar Center a while back. You know, one of their floor models. But I haven't got around to opening it or demoing it yet, so let's do it. Get them off tricky. So we got a nice case on this one. And there it is. But we got the Slash guy. Epiphone. Okay, let's put it on the bench. Open it up. Wow, that's a pretty red interior there. Actually, it matches the guitar since I picked up the Vermilion Burst model. And there she is. Looks like we got the Slash on the back of the headstock and on the truss rod cover. Not even a Slash fan, I just like how this guitar looks. That's pretty sharp. Oh, that's cool. Little bird's eye. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's kind of neat. Alright. Let's take a closer look at the case. Set this down. Alright. So this is the case, obviously. We got strap locks. Key to the case. Sticker and warranty card. So there's the case. Up close. Nicely padded. Made in China. So is the guitar. Okay, that's that. Let's do a demo. See you in a little bit. Slash Les Paul demo. That was the neck, now the bridge. Alright, now a little overdrive in the bridge. Or the neck, sorry. Bridge position. So that's the demo on the Epiphone Les Paul Slash model. Pretty nice to play. Pickups are a little bit hotter than on the Gibson Tribute. Pretty good for the hard rock stuff. Quality-wise, it's pretty nice. Frets are a little scratchy, but that's kind of an Epiphone thing. You can polish those and they'll be a lot better. Actually, the action was pretty good out of the box too, just needed a tune. It was fun to play. So that's it. Thanks for watching.